Hey guys, welcome back to Ylan app. For today's video, here we're going to show you how to fix error 50 on IKEA Skinande Dishwasher. So, if you're interested, let's start the tutorial. So first is you need to switch off your dishwasher and unplug it from the power source, and this step actually helps you to reset the dishwasher's system. Now, leave it unplugged for at least 30 seconds, and this allows you, or in this case allows any residual power to drain and help reset the electronics. Now, after waiting, plug the dishwasher back into the power outlet and turn it on. This simple reset can sometimes clear minor issues. Now, next you want to do is you want to clean the sump and filters. Now, for safety, ensure the dishwasher is turned off and unplug before you start cleaning. Open the dishwasher door and remove the lower basket to access the lower spray arm. Twist off the spray arm to reach the filters. Now take out the filters and rinse them thoroughly with water. Use a sponge to scrub any residual or buildup. After rinsing, dry the filters with a clean cloth or towel to prevent any water from affecting their performance. Check the sump area, the bottom part of the dishwasher, for any foam, suds, or debris. Clear out any obstructions. And put the cleaned filters back in place and reattach the lower spray arm. Next is you want to run a test cycle here. So plug the dishwasher back in, turn it on, and run the short test cycle. This will help you check if the error 50 code has been resolved. And that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to Ylan app. Thank you for watching.